Okay guys, this is going to be the last project for the day. Good. Okay, so this is, as you see here, this is a Nokia and it's tracking the GPS. So practically the Nokia is saying latitude, longitude, speed. Okay, this is not because I'm on the what do you call it, off the window sill inside, so the GPS is not flashing, it's not registering at the moment, although it's connected. You can see that it's connected. Okay, so what you do with this project, you can put this one in a car. Okay, it's a tracker. Okay, so what it does, you stack this one in a car or in a whatever, you stack somewhere else, and then while this one is moving away, you can track it with this one. It will track with tell you the speed and the latitude and the longitude of where it is going to be. Okay, this is actually called a tracker, and it's done with a microprocessor called the Wemos, which is the ESP-8266. Okay, and I've got a battery here, but unfortunately, because it needs 3 satellites for tracking, angulation, it takes a bit of long time to register, to start to flash and produce the information on the screen. Okay, but the information at the moment, as I said, is not updated. Okay, so here are the codes for the tracker. This is the sender with the GPS. The sender with the GPS, which is this one. This is the sender, the GPS, and this is the receiver, which has the Nokia LCD. Okay. So now this is the code, the receiver. That's the receiver code, which I will post on the web if you want to make your own tracker, and then you can play around with it. The same, the Nokia has but everything is explained clearly on the website, so I'm not going to go through this now. And yeah, I think it's a good project. It does works well. This is the the GPS sender. Okay, remember the GPS pin, this is D1 and D2. D1 and D2, yeah, it's D1 and D2, correct. And yeah, it works exactly like the previous one. I've done quite a few of these, and it just takes a bit of time to get the red LED on your GPS to flash. Okay, so I will post this. Remember your library. Here you need ESP-NOW, because what it's doing now, I must explain this. This is not working with the internet, and as you can see, you need the MAC number, of the sender for the receiver, and it does not work with Wi-Fi or internet. It just works with the ESP-NOW, which is a protocol that ESP only has. They communicate, it's like a LoRa. They communicate via each other by passing Wi-Fi and internet. All right, so and you can see, let's check it again here. Okay, the receiver. There is a sender. Okay. This is the sender. Okay, I will also add a what do you call it, a sketch that does the check your Mac, print your Mac out of your serial monitor. So you need to get those Mac and put them on the on the receiver. See, just hold on. Sender. Sorry guys, just a bit of a okay, there we are. Now the sender, you get the MAC address from the receiver, and you put them in the sender. Because now when the sender looks for the receiver will read the MAC address and will read the speed and the movement. You got it? It's ESP-NOW. That's the way it works. All right, guys. I think this is a nice project. Still, it's not on, which is irritating because this one takes such a long time to reload, for the light to flash, even with a small area. Okay, so there you are. This is quite a nice project, and it's worth to have. It's called tracking project. You can track any vehicle. You can put it on your, when you run, and you can actually record your tracking as well. You can add an SD card, a card reader, and then you can record the movement and the rest. Okay, guys. Well, thank you. Have a good day. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and have a good day.